Hey there, legends. I'm Laura from the training team here at Lexer, and today we're going to walk through how to manage your team in the Lexer Hub. At Lexer, a team is a group of users that belong to the same company. And in this module, we'll show you how to edit and save your own details within the Lexer Hub, as well as how to add and manage other users in your Lexer account. Before we dive into the Hub, we should note that to add and edit other users within the Lexer Hub, you will need to belong to a group with edit team permissions. If you're not part of a group with edit team permissions, but should be, then please reach out to Lexer support. But let's log into the Hub and get started. And here I am on our Hub homepage, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on Manage in the top navigation bar, and then click on Team underneath that. This finds us on the My Account page, where you can access your own account details. You'll see your basic information, such as email address at the top, your name, your mobile number, and even what time zone you're in. But if you scroll down, you'll also see what groups you're a part of. Each user is assigned to one or more groups, which can provide access to products, specific features, or allow you to perform particular functions, for example, edit other users. If you ever need to change your personal information, here is where you'll do it. Simply make the necessary changes, and then hit Save at the bottom of the page. You'll also see that next to the Save button, we have the Reset Password button. If you ever need to reset your Lexer password for any reason, just click here and then follow the prompts. Underneath the My Account tile, you'll also see the Our Team tile, and this is where you can manage and add other users. Again, just to reiterate, you will need to belong to a group with edit team permissions to make any changes to other users' accounts. To check if you're part of a group with edit team permissions, click on the My Account tile, where we were before, and then check your groups. To add a new user to your team, click on the plus new user button in the bottom left corner of the screen. You will need to provide the new user's email, first name, last name, and what time zone they're in, and then select one or more groups to add them to. Then click Save and you're done. If the plus new user button does not appear for you, it means that you do not have the correct permissions to perform this task. I'd like to note here that your company might require you to enable two-factor authentication, in which case a mobile number is required for your new users. Enabling two-factor authentication adds another layer of data security for your first-party data and is easy to set up. If you click into My Groups, you'll see all the permissions groups that have been set up for your team. And if you scroll along the top, you'll see two-factor here. All the groups with the tick underneath this heading require users that are a part of this group to have 2FA enabled. So when setting up a new user, if you want them to set up 2FA, ensure that a group with 2FA requirements is attached to their account. Going back to the Our Team tab now. To update or edit a user's profile, simply click on that user's name, make your changes, and then hit Save. And if you ever need to archive a user for any reason, you can click on the Archive button and this will archive that user in all Lexer accounts. If this user belongs to multiple Lexer hubs, this will revoke their access to all of them. And archived users will need to be reactivated to access their account, which will trigger an activation email with instructions to reset their password again. And that's how we add and edit users in the Lexer Hub, along with how to add and edit your own details. So I hope you enjoyed this module today, and I'll see you in the next one.